I've heard people say that YouTube is all about luck. Well, you are wrong and you are right. If you do the right things, people are going to click on your videos. And let me tell you the truth. YouTube prioritizes videos that get clicked the most. So YouTube don't just randomly pick videos and say, okay, I'm going to just promote this video. No, they don't do that. When your videos get clicked the most, YouTube tends to push it out and recommend it to more people, and your video will get seen, and of course you get more views, more subscribers, and you get more revenue. And let me tell you something else. The truth is, people don't just randomly click videos. Yes, they don't just click videos because they want to. They are psychologically designed to do this. I'm going to be breaking this down for you in this video. So if you want to know how to make your video the right way, how to position your video so that people can click your video whenever they see it. Yes, guys, if it's something they search for and they see your video, they'll click on your video and they'll watch your video. If it's like something you want to watch, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. The first thing I'll talk about, which I've titled Curiosity Gap. People click on your video when they feel like they are missing something. Yes, I don't know if you've ever seen a video and then when you read the title or the thumbnail and then you just start getting curious that what is this? What's even in this video? Let me see. They click it out of curiosity. Yes, when they feel they are missing out, people are going to click on your video. The second thing I'll talk about, which I titled Pattern Disruption. This has to do with your title and your thumbnail. How have you arranged your thumbnail? Is your thumbnail and your title two completely different things? Yes, it's good to put good title, it's good to put catchy thumbnail and all that, but are they actually aligned? Your thumbnail and your title needs to follow up. Don't just put something catchy in your title, something catchy in your thumbnail. Are they actually aligned? When I see your thumbnail, and I get curious and I end up checking your title, does your title actually make me want to click it? Or when I see your title first and get curious and I check your thumbnail, does it actually say more about that content, or is it two different things? That also matter, guys. So you need to make sure that your thumbnail and your title, they are correlated. Don't put what is in your thumbnail in your title. No, that is a wrong way for you to do it. Your title and your thumbnail should be different, but they should be correlated. If they are not, people will tend not to click on your video, and you know when they don't click on your video, YouTube is likely not to promote your video too much. You know what I mean? And then the third thing I want to talk about is emotional trigger. FOMO, which is FOMO. For those of you that know FOMO, fear of missing out. For those of you that don't know what FOMO is, FOMO simply means fear of missing out. Well, when I see your video and I'm actually going somewhere, or maybe I was looking for something else, and then I see your video, it could be a story, it could be something else, and then it's something that I'm initially interested in. When I see your video, I get curious, and then but I don't want to leave this video because I feel if I leave this video, I may be missing out on something. Or maybe I see your video about how to do something and I say if I leave this video, I may not see it again when I come back on YouTube. For that reason, I would tend to click on your video because I don't want to miss out on that thing that I'm thinking, maybe there's something I need to see in this video. It's true I've seen a video like this, but let me check this one. So for that reason, they tend to click your video. And then when they click your video, of course, your video will get promoted. And here are some examples of viral thumbnails and titles that are actually correlated, as you can see on the screen. So you should do something like this depending on your niche, of course. Make it correlated so that you can be able to get that attention. The truth is, some of these small creators, they're actually creating good content, just that they are not being seen. They are not posting the right way. They are not doing things the right way. That's why they are not getting that attention that their video actually deserve. There's something I want to talk about. In terms of thumbnail, a thumbnail is not just some random picture that you just pick out and then you just place it there. Thumbnail is the first thing that your viewer sees. Yes, it's the first thing that your viewer sees when they see your video. So you have to make the most out of your thumbnail, because if your thumbnail is not okay, my dear, you will not get that click that you deserve. And if you don't get click, YouTube may likely not promote your video. Here is a secret formula you can use for your thumbnail. 1. Your thumbnail should have big, bold text. Yes, clearly visible text. Don't just put any colors there because you want to go ahead and play with colors. You don't need it to be too colorful, okay? Red and yellow. Use two contrasting colors like red and yellow. Those are two contrasting colors that you can use on your thumbnails, and these tend to get attention. Yes, red, yellow, or you can say this orange color is also fine. These are colors that can attract people to your video. Or you can choose not to even put text at all. Instead, attach the right emotions. Yes, your thumbnail should have the right emotions. That emotion can raise curiosity and can make people feel maybe I should watch this so that I don't miss out on what this video has to offer. The next thing is your title. Now, your thumbnail grabs the attention. How about your title? You need to work on your title too. Your title is what will determine if they will actually go ahead and click on your video. They don't just see your thumbnail and go ahead and click it. Even though it happens sometimes, but it does not happen often. So it's best you maximize and optimize your title also so that it can correspond with your thumbnail. Now, here's a secret for you. The best title will make people feel like if they don't click on your video, they will regret it. Yes, when I start having that feeling about a video, of course, I go ahead and click it because I don't want to miss it. I don't want to regret, if I had known, I could have clicked it that time. I don't want when I go out and do all that stuff and then I come back, I can't find the video. So instead, I go ahead and click on that video. Yes, the title is what helps you do this. So make sure that your title includes something about your video. Yes, I'm talking about all these things that attract people, make people curious. But let me tell you the truth. If you go ahead and use a clickbait title or thumbnail and they click on your video and they don't see any value, my dear, they will immediately leave your video. And when they leave your video and abandon it all the time, imagine you to show your video to 200 people and then 25,000 people tend to click on your video. Imagine out of that 25,000, 20,000 of them click and left immediately. Only 5,000 end up watching maybe some parts. Of course, YouTube is like, what's this? And then they dump your video. Yes, they will dump that video and your video will not have any future. It will not grow later. So make sure that whatever you're using your title, whatever you're using your thumbnail, make sure it is not a clickbait. You should not just put things because you are trying to get people's attention. Get their attention and also deliver. It's very, very important. If you don't deliver, I will not come back and watch your video personally, okay? Alright, so this is all I'll be talking about in this video. If you know you got value from this video and I taught you something you didn't know before, or maybe you knew it before but you just did not know it the way I've said it, please go ahead and subscribe and please like this video. It's engagement for me and it's going to help my channel to grow. Thank you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.